Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the zoom feature on the PlayStation 5 to see enemies easier off in the distance. Now, you can use this on any game. All you have to do is press the PlayStation button and the square button down at the same time when you turn this on. And you can easily move around the screen to get a better view. But this essentially will crop the field of view, so it's zoomed in and you can see enemies a lot easier. Now, this is under the accessibility option. So if I press the PlayStation button, then go to the home screen, and then go to the top, go to settings. I want to go on down to the accessibilities menu right here and select this. Then go to display and sound and go to zoom, magnify things on the screen. Now you can also use it in these menus as well. So if I press the PlayStation button and the square button at the same time, I can zoom in and I can read things easier on my screen. Go to where it says enable zoom, check mark right there, adjust display area to movement. Then you have the on-screen controls right in front of you. Press the PlayStation button and the square button to start zooming in. Then press the O button to reset the zoom adjustment. Then you can press X to confirm the zoom adjustment. And then you can use the right thumbstick to move around the screen. So this can be extremely helpful when you're playing like Warzone and you have a sniper rifle and someone is really far away. And maybe you're even spectating someone. You can just zoom in and you can see around the corner real easy. So let's press X to confirm, and then I can even play like this. As you can see, I am zoomed in quite a bit more, and it's a lot easier to see. So let's zoom out now. So this is a regular 105 field of view. Now I can press this button real quick, and I can zoom in just like that. So I can use this relatively quickly, and this could be extremely helpful in your gameplay. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.